This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Trailer Hood. I'm the OG, Jay, the old guy. You know who I am. You should by now anyway. Well, a good Monday to you, and being Monday, that means it's YouTube Monday, and time for me to recommend another YouTube channel. Hopefully this is going to be one that makes you not just giggle or chuckle, but just outright belly laugh. It does for me anyway. If you like electronic projects, you like sparks and flames and people accidentally electrocuting themselves and hitting their head and falling over and, you know, stuff like that, you're going to love this guy. It's called ElectroBOOM, and it has almost 4 million subscribers. It's a pretty big channel, and if you haven't seen it yet, well, just check this out.
Don't do this at home. Now we'll have high voltage as Did I short something? Okay, retry. So don't do this at home. Now as soon as I turn on this, what the what is this?
Let's measure and see where we are. It's higher. I made my own taser back in my old video. The arcs can jump well. You don't bring your finger close to a stun gun when it's running. Everyone can build something like this or even stronger, but it might not be legal everywhere. I have a solution that will make you work out for dear life. It's called Workout or Die. It's a simple device. It's a belt that you tie around your belly with a tiny device that senses your motion. As long as you move, you're okay. But if you stop for any reason, it'll zap you like a mother. You will move no matter what, or else you will feel the pain. The device may often false trigger. The belt is very hard to open. It's made of very durable material resistant to sharp objects, and it cannot be cut. So you will run until the batteries die or you die. Just kidding, we have never had failed batteries.
So if you get a chance, go on over to ElectroBOOM. It's a very funny channel. Like I said, he's got almost 4 million subscribers, 3.85 million subscribers. I've got like 229. So, you know, I'm working on it, but he's extremely funny. I don't know if these accidents are real, if he stages it. You know, some people think he's an idiot. Some people think he's a genius. I think he puts up, you know, he puts on a very, very good show anyway. And it's a great channel. It's a lot of fun. It really is. I can sit here and watch this guy, you know, destroy himself all day long, and I just laugh throughout the whole thing. So, you know, if you want a good laugh today, if you know, if you're having any day that's a little hard, a little tough on you, well, go over to ElectroBOOM and just watch a couple of his videos, and it'll cheer you right up. So that's going to do it for YouTube Monday on this. Well, it's not a bad Monday here in the Trailer Hood. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to raise at least 1,000 subscribers. That's what I'd like to get before the end of the year. And I'm at 229. So I've got a long ways to go. So if you could help me out, I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you won't miss any of the videos. That's going to do it for me. I'm the old guy for the Old Guy Network. I'm the OG, and I'm out.